if I have no work, I will see the video.
So it looks like right now, baby is what we call breech, which means her bottom is down and her head is up. And that's okay, she still has time to flip. Here's her head.
Yeah. Oh.
And it does look like she's moving good. Just spreading this gel around real quick. Okay. Yep, there's her head. Her heart.
That's normal.
I'll check her heart rate here in a second. And there's a long leg, all the way stretched out. Yeah, that's cute. Heart again. Let me measure that heart rate. Sounds like a great heart rate. And just check here. 155 beats per minute, which is perfect. We want her heart rate between 120 and 160. So 155 is normal. And then I'm looking at the fluid around baby as well, and it looks like she's got plenty of fluid.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. And I can't measure that. I can't give you a number, but on Monday when we have you come back, you'll get a number then and we'll check. Okay. You can see a little foot there.
Yeah.
See your little foot?
Cute.
Yeah, little toes. Everything with baby looks good, okay?
Okay. Yes, we're done at our checkup, doctor checkup, and then we're going home now. And thanks God, guys, because my baby is healthy and nothing to worry. And then I go every week now, starting next week, for baby checkup, and also I need to check up if the baby is okay, because of my age they are required to check my baby, and I hope everything will be okay, guys, and we see the baby in July, right honey?
Right.
And thank you for subscribing. For those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell button below for you to notify for my new videos. Now we're home now, and hope you're watching, guys. Have a nice day.